Alright, let's get back to this thing. We already had the intake pipe out that goes to the throttle body and the upper intake off before we started filming, but we'll be getting all that back on and hopefully taking it for a ride today. But we still got to find a replacement bolt for the long bolt on the intake manifold to button it up completely, but I think we'll have something in the bolt bag. Alright, let's try to get these oil injectors out. Today we will be installing the Banzai OMP delete kit and Torque Solutions thermal intake manifold gasket. Got these right here. We'll also be replacing the rubber fuel lines that go to the fuel rails. Yeah, we went with the Banzai racing kit for the OMP delete because I just didn't want to be cutting bolts and putting them where they're not supposed to be. This one comes with some really nice aluminum black plugs. I'll show them to you before they go in, but we gotta get the injectors out first. Actually, we're gonna start with replacing these fuel lines first. Maybe we'll pull the lower injectors while they're out of the way. Probably be easier that way. And for that, we have a few feet of some fuel hose that we grabbed at the AutoZone this morning. I'm gonna get that cut to length and pull these lines out. Alright, let's get these out of the way. This top one first. This one we can yank on a little bit though, so don't worry too much about that. Alright, this one over here. Alright, we got the new hose going on. That's where we are. All right. There, so I'll leave that one there. And then we're gonna come down this way around the oil filter. That's all the way down as far as that was. And we'll tighten these up. On to the next one. go. Alright, second fuel line. That one I'll have to get with the ratchet. I'll put this one all the way up. There it is. Alright. Pull this a little further down the line, get that out of our way. There we go. This one. Slide this one up too. Where the pliers go. Oh. And that's why we put the cardboard down. And hopefully that means there'll be a little less up here to leak onto our engine, even though the paint's flaking off anyways. Yeah, these hoses are a problem waiting to happen. There we go. You gotta love barbed fittings. Alright, first thing we gotta do is cut these oil lines out of here. It's not too messy. It should be able to go down and snip them. Use a pretty anyways. There we go. That one. The one thing. Just cut your pepper down there. We already have a junk box going. Alright, so now figure out how to break these suckers loose. Remember, take the 14s. Looking out there a little bit, nice. So those are 14s on the bottom one. Hoping we can get this out with the fuel rail in. Looks like we're going to be able to. That'd be sweet. Save us some fuel injector O-rings. Oh, that's nice. Yep, there we go. First oil injector out. Washer, get out of the way too. I don't think so. We'll clean that up before it goes back in. That kind of sucks. I was almost out too. can budge it out of the way if I just pull those bolts. It helps if I grab the right size. See if we can move the other way without taking it off. I don't think I come off a little bit more. Ah, it's so close. So close. That should be fine enough. And it is fine enough. I'm going to have to break the seal on the injectors. Alright, 2 down. So for these ones, you either need a shaved down 14 open end, but you don't want to destroy the tool, so I'm going to go with plan B, which is, everybody says just throw vice grips on it. And they say it comes right out, so let's test that theory. See what's up. These on here. And it came right out. Look at that. Try to knock this one here. There we go. Alright. Advice of the internet worked. I'll take that as a win. The lowers. Alright. This side. First one. Nice washes and everything. Came right out. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna prep the Banzai kit to start being installed. First one in. Second one over here. These lower ones will be a little interesting to get tight. We'll see how that goes. I think I'm gonna go sneak something in there. These don't take much. You can kind of judge by feeling how easily they came out. is I think we'll have to start by hand. Let's see. Alright, thankfully I got it most of the way down. Just gotta do this the slow way. No. What is it? Yeah. Should be good there. This one should be a tad easier, as I think it's accessible with the ratchet. This on it, maybe just like that. Alright, let's see, there should be a few 10s. I have this thing out of here. And just the fact that that came off with 2 bolts, I can tell you right now, you get the wrong block-off plate. That's okay. We'll get this one off and out of the way, confirm which one we need, get it ordered up, and then I'll likely insert installing the block-off plate in right here of the video. And we can still button up the intake manifold today, so it's not a total loss. It's nothing that really holds us up from getting to our finish line. We're gonna have to plug that hole up, but as you can see, oil metering pump. I don't know if this one's good. Alright, and again, we're going with the Torque Solutions thermal intake manifold gasket. You can see it's kind of thick, almost like a spacer. I was skeptical. Look at that. Alright, we're going to have to order some parts. Alright, well, just going to make this a short video. We got to reorder the OMP pump block off plate because it's a 2-bolt, not a 3-bolt like we had thought. And then the intake manifold gasket as well is not the correct one, so we're going to see if we can identify which manifold we have, as this is a NAT swap. And then we'll pick up where we left off, but that's going to do it for this video. If you want to follow the build of the Rx-7, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.